Thanks for signing up to Hedgebook's on-demand webinar for investment managers. This short demo is relevant for those who manage the finance function for hedge funds, private equity and venture capital funds. Any company that is investing across different geographies and therefore has exposure to international investments. FX volatility has the capacity to impact the revenue stream of offshore investments when translated to domestic currency. In this video, I will show you the tools and reports most frequently used by other finance professionals in your industry who are wrestling with FX volatility on their investment opportunities and returns. Based on what these clients tell us, we understand it's useful for you to have a central repository for your hedging, understand the impact of exchange rate movements on your revenue from overseas investments, have access to mark-to-market valuations which can be provided to your auditors, and quickly access reports for senior management and board reporting. Let's jump into it. Let's start with our world-first interactive exposure tool. This example assumes you are a UK-based firm receiving an income stream from existing European investments. In other words, you are converting euros into sterling. The tool can be set up to accommodate any combination of base and counter currency. Here the euro income is represented by the green bars, and we clearly see how much hedging is in place and with which instrument. Common products are FX forwards and collars, as shown in this example, but Hedgebook supports a broad selection of other option-based products, including path-dependent structures where the hedged amount, rate, or both can change under different market conditions. Understanding your hedging position is critical in the fast-moving world of foreign exchange. The exposure tool provides clear visuals and supporting tables so you understand the impact of exchange rates on your investment income. The impact of potential future exchange rate movements is easily quantified. Just move the slider left or right and see the impact on income. In this example, the scenario is a stronger pound against the euro. The exposure tool updates hedge rates and amounts accordingly. For a 3% strengthening of sterling, there is a negative cumulative earnings impact of £100,000 when compared to the budget rate. By incorporating the budget rate, CFOs, finance directors and finance managers gain valuable insights into their hedging position, and risk management strategies can easily be formulated. This might be done in conjunction with your FX provider, for example your bank or your broker. Hedgebook has been designed to be a collaborative, shared workspace so risk management strategies can be agreed together prior to execution. While all companies are required to provide independent valuations of any outstanding financial instruments at the time of audit, many investment managers we work with also need to produce reports detailing valuations of their outstanding deals at the end of each month. Hedgebook counts BDO, Grant Thornton, and many other leading audit firms among our clients who use our system to validate the valuations they receive from their clients, so you can have confidence in the numbers. The Detail Instrument Report is a great report to provide to auditors at year-end to cover off IFRS 13 requirements regarding financial instrument valuations. The spot rate, forward rate, discount factor and volatility used in the valuations are clearly visible, providing great supporting information. The Sensitivity Report covers off IFRS 7 financial instrument compliance for your disclosures, streamlining the year-end audit process. No more curly questions from the auditors. Hedgebook saves finance professionals endless reporting hours each month. The software takes away the need for manually creating reports from spreadsheets, paying for its low monthly cost many times over. Board and management reports can be created quickly using the data and visuals from the exposure tool to accurately report on current positions, performance against budget, policy compliance and much more. Past performance can also be analysed. The benchmark report compares actual conversion rates achieved versus benchmarks such as spot, i.e. the do-nothing strategy, or other benchmarking metrics. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Clearly protecting your investment income is important to you. Let Hedgebook be your partner for effective FX risk management to eliminate surprises from exchange rate movements and boost investor returns. There's much more to the system, so why not hit us up for a personalised demo to discuss your requirements in more detail.